Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu ngiyanamukela ku-channel yami nisahlele nesalukazi ugogo Patricia. So namhlanje sizokhuluma ngokuhlaba. Right? So we know ukuthi kunento ekuthiwa usiko. Usiko, it's something that you do for a long time, you do generation to generation, then it becomes usiko lweni. It becomes something that you practice. It becomes part of who you are and how you do things. Now, we are on social media where everything is available for everyone, right? And it's up to you which information you take and which information ungayithathi. Now, uthola umuntu athi mawuphahla, this is what you're supposed to do. Now, ukuphahla, it's not same for everyone because we don't come from the same people, and it depends on when abantu bakho, when they want you to communicate with them, how will they want you to communicate with them. I was once in a situation whereby obviously the normal candles that you are given to say, okay, this is the candles that you need to phahla with, which is your yellow, white and blue, right? But with me, I used to phahla with a white candle because I was like, I'm not gonna do something like it did not sit well with me. Till my ancestors, them directly, they came and they gave me a different color. And umkhulu, when you want to connect with us, these are the candles that you're supposed to be using, right? And usiko yenye into bantwana bethongo, abanye benu niyahlaba imbuzi kanti ekhaya kini akuhlatshwa imbuzi. Abanye benu niyahlaba kanti nimbathwe amadlozi namathonga angafuni igazi lichitheke. Abanye benu niyahlaba kanti nasetshenzwa kunomkhuba othize owayenzwa emndenini, kunalo owathwala, right? So uma nihlaba nina nichitha igazi, instead of amadlozi wenu kube yibona amkela le gazi elinilichithayo or whatever that you are doing, then le mimoya, you feeding them, you feeding poverty, you feeding yabo khona manhlaba omunye khona ozoshona, manhlaba khona ozoshona, manhlaba khona ozoshona. Abanye you just need ukuhlaba inkukhu, abanye you just need not to hlaba at all, uphake nje uyenze ukudla, uyenze iladi. Kunabantwana ekuthiwa abantwana bamanzi. Umntana wamanzi awuthinti igazi kakhulu, futhi especially umntana wamanzi kuthiwe wena uyogezwa emfuleni, uyogezwa ngenkukhu. Ungcolisa kanjani ekhaya lakho? Ungcolisa kanjani amanzi ngegazi umntana wamanzi? You're not supposed to do that. Amanzi, they are very powerful on itself. Amanzi can heal you on itself. Kunabanye abantu abanjalo. Fana nomuthi, anybody can go ayothenga umuthi, but mina mangunikeza omunye umuntu, it might not work. When amamnikeza, it might work. Same applies to water. Everybody has access to water. Everybody opens their tap each and every day. But mina ngavula amanzi ethepini ngiwakhulekele ngikunike asebenze uphole, kunabantu, for instance, mangizokhuluma ngosiko, kunabantu ingane mayezalwa kuye kuthiwe i-umbilical cord mayiwa, abanye bayayithatha bayayitshala, batshala isihlahla sikhule. Abanye bayayikhatha the day bagunda umntana inwele for the first time, bayithele kulawo, bamgeze, bathele kulawo manzi, then bawaflashe ahambe. It's still usiko. So you might do something that it's not yours. Abanye benu inkinga zenu, they don't go away. It's because ofuna ukulingisela what other people are doing. Yes, I know ukuthi umnguni is dominating, meaning it ends up kugcina sekubukeka ngathi esilawulwa umnguni la emhlabeni, because wonke umuntu ufuna ukuyenza usiko lwakaZulu. Wonke umuntu ufuna ukuyenza usiko lwakaZulu. Yes, there was ushaka, but it does not take away from bekunamanye amakhosi emhlabeni. Yabo, umuntu angathi mina ngihamba namakhosi, doesn't mean mawuhamba namakhosi umZulu. No, khona abumushweshwe, umshweshwe inkosi yabeSuthu, kukhona inkosi yamaSwati, kukhona inkosi yamaNdebele, khona inkosi, inkosi eziningi. So when you have to know ukuthi ubuswa yipi inkosi. uShaka bekathi makalwa alwe umkhonto, yabo. Lo mshweshwe bekathi makalwa alwe ngento engathi imbazo nje, shaye ngayo. So you have to know, abanye benu unomkhonto kanti wena bekufanele ube nembazo kase sothu barike silepe. Abanye benu ubhizi nebheshu, bekufanele ube nelikubo likubo, angazi bayibizana, fanele ube nale ngubo yabeSuthu, bhizi nebheshu. So know who you are, know the people that you work with, know isintu sakho. Even if you don't know it, your dreams will tell you. People who come to you, the way they are dressed, the way they talk, the way they approach you, they will tell you. Yes, some of you vele ungaba umuntu okhule ukhuluma iSuthu bese uphuphe abantu abagcoka amabheshu nanomnguni. Uthola ukuthi vele wena ukhule ngeSuthu kanti abantu ahamba nabo vele umnguni. Your lineage, abokhokho, generations down the line, le vele bayakubonisa ukuthi no, wena umnguni, wena ukaZulu, wena you belong the side. You belong the side. You don't have to speak proper Zulu. I don't speak proper Zulu. For one, I don't speak proper Zulu. Mina ngikhulele eSoweto, khule Soweto mina. Mina ngikhule Soweto, and me growing up eSoweto, people might not believe, but my sister wins the Afrikaans at school, in both primary and high school. That's also swami Susu sakhe sabhet, iZulu sakhe sabhet. But uyahlanganisa ngoba wayekuse Soweto kuyahlanganiswa. Hamba udobha ngendlela. As opposed to me, abazali bami, they could not afford to take me to the school. They took my sister. The closest school that was good, bekuyisikolo seSuthu. iZulu, it was very far, bekungenama transports. So I did iSuthu. So in actual fact, iSuthu ngishaya ungidlula iZulu ke. Ngakufundela iSuthu, ngakubhalela manje, beka itest eSuthu la, ngakubhalela mina. One of my high school teachers who taught iSuthu in high school, grade 11 and 12, my brother used to say, ndlovu. I say, ayashaya iSuthu mntanami. Shaya ngishaya ungidlula umuntu obuye eLesotho, obuye eFree State. You understand? That's how I was. So know yourself, know who you are, listen to your ancestors, listen to your guides. They will never bakulahlekisa. Manje sesidila nezangoma ezithwalayo, ezicreate amaphupho. Umuntu akuyenza ukuthi umphuphe uze esigodlweni sakhe kanti no, ubiziwe. Even nanoma uphupha umelaphi, go back to your ancestors and say, why ngibonisa omunye lo muntu lo. Sometimes bayakubonisa, but it does not mean you have to go to that person. It's just that they know ukuthi uhlezi ubuka wena ugogo Patricia on YouTube. So mawungibona, automatically you will link it to spirituality, you will link it to ubungoma, you link it to isithunywa. Whichever way, when you see me, if you link me uthi umntana enzoza, sometimes iphupho lenzoza, you might see me, but it does not mean ukuthi ngiyenzonza yakho. They just want you to understand.